Okay, this is our Nevi 4. It is a sickle scalar due to its triangular cross-section, but it is also a universal instrument, meaning that it can be used anywhere in the mouth, sub, supra, posterior, and anterior, all surfaces. It can go sub because it has more of a rounded back versus a triangular pointed back, so that allows us to go sub without injuring the tissue. To use in the posterior, first we want to determine the correct end like we do all of our other instruments. Sometimes it is more challenging because the bend, here's our mountain right here, that bend, that mountain isn't quite as pronounced as our other instruments, so that's why we can also use it well in the anterior and the posterior, but it can be challenging to determine the correct working end. So if we want to double check ourselves, here is the other way, and you can see that the mountain is pointing towards the anterior, so that is incorrect. Okay, now that we have our correct working end, we lean in at 70 to 80. Okay, slide and insert. We're staying adapted, and then we go from the 70 to 80 to 90, 70 to 80, 90, 70 to 80, 90, working our way into that inner proximal so we don't miss that piece of calculus. Okay, then we hug the tooth and slide out. Okay, then we start back on the distal line angle and insert. Okay, and then we go from that closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open. Staying adapted as we get into the mesial. Okay, after we're finished, we lean in and come out gently.